how to buy VOTTUN token. So this token came under the symbol of VTN. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find in my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money to on crypto. With the best referral code, simply as goes below. Found your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token it's not live yet for trading. So if you check this pinned post, if you click on it, as you can see, you will see this. So the platform that empowers developers with APIs to seamlessly integrate with Web3 powered by VTN token is gaming. So as you can see, vote with MEXC to share massive airdrops. So this token is in on airdrop for right now. The VTN pair to USDT trading, it's in the 18 on this month, February, on 11 UTC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it in some USDT. So when this token it's live for trading, what you need to do is just log into your account, as you can see. So now what you need to do, go back to this post, and copy the sample of that token. Now go and hit the search here and paste this token. So click on this pair. So after that, what you need to do, wait a few seconds to be able to see this page. So as you can see, you need to wait 10 hours to be able to buy this token. So after 10 hours, what you need to do, click on buy here and click on the limit here. You can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account. And click here buy VTN. Now, if you select the market, you can drag this to see how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. And after that, click on buy VTN and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy VTN token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.